Today on Cooking with the Cajun, we're going to cook some Giovanni Rana's chicken fettuccine Alfredo. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Let's get started. We're going to see what's inside the bag. We should have 3 packages. We should have a warming bowl, some fettuccine, some grilled chicken, and some sauce. That's our fettuccine. Look how good that looks. Got our grilled chicken, and that's grilled white meat chicken. Let's look at the back and let's see it a little bit better. Look at that. And we have our sauce. It's our Alfredo sauce, and we have to shake it very well to make sure it stays together. So shake well before opening, as some separation might occur. So here we go. Let's shake it up. Shake it side to side. Make sure you shake it real good. So we're going to get our stuff back together. Turn our Control Freak on by Breville. We got some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. We have a 1/4 cup of water. Let's get started. We're going to start with our chicken. We're going to add a little bit of flavor to our chicken. I did some reviews on this dish, and some of the folks said that the chicken was a little bland, which is okay. We're going to fix that right now. Get us a little olive oil in there to get us a little, bring our temperature up a little bit. Spread our olive oil around with our chicken. We got some New Orleans Cajun seasoning we're going to put in here. It's going to give our chicken a little season, and that's salt free. Make sure we spread it around all the chicken. I'm going to let this saute a little bit. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of water. Going to increase our temp a little bit. Now we're going to add our fettuccine. Now if it sticks together, don't worry about it. Don't try and pull it apart. Just let it, put it right on top. It's going to come apart on its own. And we're going to get our fettuccine. We're going to shake it again, and we're going to want to make sure it's really shook up real good, so it doesn't have any separation. Shake it, shake it, shake it real good. Now I'm letting y'all watch that we shook it real good. We didn't get any separation because we made sure that we shook it real good in the bag, so in case there was any settlement while it was sitting on the shelf in the grocery store, that we got it back together where there was no separation visible. Now maybe you can try this without spilling it, because look, there it goes. I didn't have any luck. I spilt it. I had some on the floor. I think Bella might have tried to get some of it. There we go. It'll cover our pasta as best you can. Make sure you get every little bit out of the bag. Here's our black peppercorn. We're going to put on top for some seasonings. Cracked black peppercorn. Now season it to your liking. I try to cover it with the black peppercorn. It adds a real good flavor. And a little more. There we go. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt. I don't like a lot of salt, so you won't see me put a lot of extra salt, but we're going to put a little bit of salt. Look at that black peppercorn.
Come on.
Bella, come here, Bella. So right now we're letting the sauce sit on top. We've got the chicken on the bottom cooking with some seasoning in our quarter cup of water. Almost forgot to add the salt. Here's our kosher salt. I don't use iodized salt because when it gets above a certain temperature, the iodized breaks down. So I just use regular kosher salt. That way it's, no matter what temperature we cook at, we're good. We're going to give it a little mix. Gentle, fold it in. Don't go crazy mix. You just want to move it around so your fettuccine Alfredo gets mixed in and gets underneath, and you start moving around so it starts spreading on your noodles. Because you want it to all heat up together. So as you move it around, it's going to get a little bit more pliable. It's going to move easier. And eventually you're going to see the fettuccine is going to fall underneath the Alfredo sauce and mix with the chicken. Here's some Parmesan cheese. We can't forget our Parmesan cheese. And I like to use the grated Parmesan cheese. You know, use as much or as little as you like. And we have some roasted garlic. You cannot forget our garlic. Now I had a little bit left. I probably could have used a little more, but I went ahead and emptied that little container. That was the last bit that I had. Probably about a tablespoon. And once we fold it in, we're going to let it sit and simmer for a little while. Get a pair of tongs and fold the pasta from the outside to the inside and turn it. That pushes the Alfredo sauce from the outside to the inside, and also with the chicken, and spreads it into the pasta. Keeps coating the pasta. That's going to help it cook as well. That way, and it won't gather around the side of your pan as much. Now let's cover and let simmer for a little while. Let's take a look. So we simmered it for 20 minutes. It's still cooking. Look at that, how good it looks. We want the chicken to reach a internal temperature of 165. So what we need to do is get the thermometer and let's check it. We're at 150, getting close. Oh, yeah, we well over 165. So we're done, folks. Now time to plate it. See, and it comes with its own warming dish that we're going to use as a casserole dish. Look how good that looks. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching today's video. We're going to have links to some other videos at the end. Have a great day. Thanks for watching today's video. Please subscribe, like our video, leave a comment below on any ideas you have for us to cook in the future, and please hit the bell so you can get notifications when we upload future videos and when we go live. Thanks again, and to all the moms out there, happy Mother's Day.